Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to play EAFC Mobile. First, download the official app from your device's app store. Make sure your device meets the minimum operating system requirements for the best experience. Once installed, create an EA account or log in to an existing one. This step is crucial for saving your game progress and accessing all features. You'll be ready to dive into the action in no time. Now, let's cover the basic controls. On the left side of your screen, you'll find a virtual joystick for player movement. To pass the ball, simply tap the pass button. For a shot on goal, swipe the shoot button towards the net. Practice these fundamental actions in the tutorial mode to build muscle memory. Understanding these controls is key to effective gameplay and scoring those crucial goals. Ready to elevate your game? Try advanced techniques like skill moves. Swipe the sprint and skill button in various directions to dazzle opponents. For a precise through pass, tap pass and swipe forward. On defense, tap the tackle button when close to an opposing player to win the ball back. Experiment with these moves to find what works best for your playstyle and dominate the pitch. EAFC Mobile offers several exciting game modes. Test your skills in division rivals against players worldwide to climb the leaderboards. Don't forget to participate in daily events and challenges. They are a fantastic way to earn valuable rewards and improve your squad. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals, including a fresh scent for your car. Enjoy building your ultimate team and conquering the football world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.